Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Begin by selecting 2 to 3 pounds of pork belly or pork skin with a thin layer of fat. Trim and score the pork skin to 1/8 inch depth to help rendered fat escape and crisp the rind. Pat dry, then rub a mixture of 1 tablespoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon sugar over the skin and into the cuts. Refrigerate uncovered for at least 12 hours to dry the skin and concentrate flavor, which is crucial for a crunchy final chicharon. To render fat gently, place the cured pork on a rack and slow roast at 275 degrees F for 90 minutes to render fat without overbrowning the skin. This softens connective tissue and creates a layer of rendered fat for frying. After rendering, increase the oven temperature to 450 degrees F and roast another 20 minutes to puff and crisp the skin evenly. Let the pork rest on a cutting board for 10 minutes, then cut into 1-inch pieces before moving on to the final frying stage. Heat neutral oil in a deep pot and bring to 350 degrees F using a thermometer. Maintain this temperature to avoid greasy chicharon. Fry the 1-inch pieces in small batches for 3 to 5 minutes until they are golden and fully crisped, watching for oil splatter. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels, then sprinkle with fine salt immediately so it sticks. Serve hot with a vinegar-based dip or crushed garlic and calamansi to taste, and store leftovers in an airtight container to preserve crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.